fully agree that we have added all these spices. The dry rice. See this I roasted so much. How I roasted. Cute. My way of making, I don't know how you make. Let me garlic, friends. Let's check the garlic. How it's become there. See? ऐसा ही होना चाहिए. Then after this, we'll add the rest. I'll again add this to rest. Finally, and then I'll grind this. So I will show you the grinding thing. In this way I'll add everything and then I'll grind it. Okay friends? So one by one I'll add. Watch the video till the end. I have made this garam masala. In that everything I have added. There is nothing that I have not added. Everything, even kalonji is added in this. So very healthy. This is the one came noodle I'll add, nothing else. Because in this everything comes and this is the black salt. That's it. Black salt I'll add. Black salt. Normal salt also a little bit. Normal salt. The recipe is done. Let this get cooled down and I'll grind this. And then I'll show you the final result, friends. So see you soon. Thank you friends for watching. Love you all. Do let me know from where you're watching the videos. Great day. Bye.